In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up Fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. To do that, I'm gonna swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at That Gear. Now guys, at Settings we need to scroll down until we find here Security and Privacy. After that, tap right here at Biometrics and then select Fingerprints. If you haven't created a PIN code, pattern or password, you will be prompted to create them here at this step. I already have a pattern created, so I'll just draw it now to go to the next step. Here, as you can see, I've already got 2 fingerprints set up here, and to add one more, I'm going to tap Add Fingerprint. Now guys, I'm going to hit right here at Register, and then we need to press here a few times at different angles. Make sure your finger is inside the circle and then change angle and press again, and we need to continue doing that until it is 100% here. Just change your angle and press it again here. Just like that. Now here it says that fingerprint added, and we can hit right here at Done, and as you can see here I have 3 fingerprints now. At Samsung Galaxy phone we can have up to 3 fingerprints configured at once. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.